on LBC. I put on LBC. Yeah, I put on LBC. Over LBC. I put on LBC. Over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's the wave we ride. I've been grinding through the night, while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. From the charts to the stage, man, you know who it be. It's that Lunar Beaches fam putting on endlessly.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto. We will ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. I look like I'm bald. How's everybody doing? Hope you're doing well. It is Thursday, March 19th, 2026 at 10:02 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Lucky to even be having a show right now. Because the last 2 hours of work up until I got home, an hour after I got home, hour and a half, I just had the worst, basically, sinus headache going on. And, yeah, but took an 800 milligram ibuprofen and now I'm here. I'm making it. I'm making it. What's going on, fam? How you doing? Hope you're doing well. Hope you had a great Thursday. We got one more show until the weekend, and yeah. Yeah. Sorry, I was reading. Good evening, David. As AG Duality WWF Wix wife Fine 89. Good evening, Alexandra G. Mod Boss, Mod Queen, Mod God. Thank you for being here. Thank you for pinning that Discord link in the chat. I do greatly appreciate you for doing that each and every single night. What's going on? 2Dub. What's going on, Wix wife? How you doing? Thank you for being here. Good evening. Good evening. Simeon Davis. How's it going? Thank you for coming by. What's going on, Duality C? Not of this world. David, what's going on? Marky Dutch, the Dirty Dutchman, how you doing, bro? Thank you for being here. Let's see. We got JR in the house. What's up, JR? Ride the wave, ride the wave. What's going on, JR? My ninja. Hope you're doing well, homie. We got Harp in the house. What's up, Harpski? Mad love. And LBCOG, Melissa One Love is in the house. What's going on, Mel? Guys, maybe this weekend we can do a Discord hangout and at the beach house. Let's do it. Let's have a beach house hangout. We haven't done it in a while, so we need to do it. Ride the wave, ride the wave. Speaking of riding waves, anybody else long? I am long. Are you long? I caught a pretty sick long earlier today. Probably one of my more precise entries. One of my most precise entries. It was very short term. Yeah. Was it over here? I think so. Which chart is this? This is Bybit. Let me bring up the breakout. Did I close it? Oh, no. There it is. Uh-oh. Hello? I think I need to reset my router. I think that might be part of the issue. Da 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 da. So this is why I entered the trade, okay? This is why I set the trade. I saw these juicy lows over here. They're very close to each other. Some would say they're relatively equal. And then I saw the sweep and the bounce and the break of the high. Change the structure. Change market structure shift. And then I saw something that we've pointed out on the channel before. I saw the body gap. And I said, I'm going to put an entry at the bottom of the gap. And boom. Nailed it. And then I sold like somewhere over here. I held through all this. I was like, nah, nope. Don't do it. Don't do it. And then it came back up. And once it hit the highs again, I was like, and it started to pull back. I was like, nope, I'm getting out. Because I had my stop at 69,000 exactly, which I still would have been okay, but that's okay. I got the win, and that is all that matters. That one was a high margin trade because it was such a tiny stop loss. So tiny stop and tiny TP. Juicy lows. And yeah. Winner chicken dinner. Oh yeah, the juicy lows, the ones I got tooketh. Imagine that. And yeah, we'll see how this one goes. This one is more of a higher 15-minute trade. Got it exactly right here. So we'll see. Ride the wave, ride the wave. Beach house chills. You guys are amazing. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up and showing out. I do greatly appreciate you. Let's see if we can break this dynamic reactor and continue to push. I wish I would have caught the low down here, but I didn't, and that's okay. We can zoom out. We can see we got a bounce off of support. So we want to see continuation. But I don't know that we're going to get a full continuation. Time will tell. We shall see. But this is still looking bear flaggy. And we are pitted up against that 4-hour dynamic reactor. But who knows? Money flows green, trying to push up. Momentum trying to push up. We'll see. Let's go back to the 1 minute. See what we're seeing. Let's go to a different chart. Let's do Binance. Now, what I don't like about the trade that I just entered, I didn't just enter it, but so we had this trend. Notice the trend. Notice overlapping waves. But this one, that one bounced off the high. That's legit. That one bounced off the high. That's legit. Come back down. Sweep the low. And go. I'm aiming for the equal highs. I mean, I'm not aiming for the equal highs. I'm aiming for much higher, but I would expect the equal highs to get tooketh. I don't know that all these lows will get tooketh. That's why my stop loss is down here at the low. Anywho, good evening. God bless. God bless. What's going on, Jesus Saves? How you doing? Hope you're doing fantastic. What's going on, GT Jack? Mad love. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. What's our degen play of the day? What should we trade? Solana. I'm going to put it in the chat. I'm going to start a poll. I'm going to start a poll. I'm going to say long, short, witchin'. Yeah, we'll do Solana. You guys tell me what you want me to do, and I'll do it. Anything new today? Gold. Go to the 1 hour. Gold fell. Gold has been falling. That was not today, though. I have not looked at gold in a couple days. This was today. Has it been that many hours? Crazy. Okay. So yeah, gold. Coming for the equal lows. Who'd have thunk it? It's almost like somebody on this stream said ABC the other day. With the A, B, C. And then go. This is marked off because this is the significant low that it should not break. It can, but it shouldn't. Anything but from this low to this high is fair game as far as pullbacks are concerned. Oh, look at that. We have a daily dynamic reactor right there. Be cool if we could just wick through it and close above it. Then I will move some money over to BTCC and throw $3 into a 500x long. Maybe. Money flow coming down on silver daily. Oh, what was the money flow on gold? Same. But, I mean, hella bottomed out on the momentum. So, could this stop here and push up? It could. I wouldn't want to take that, though. I wanted to come lower. Just a little. Just a little. All Seta. What's going on? All Seta in the house. Another one of my ninjas. All seta. Nothing on this channel is financial advice. Please do your own homework. Yes. 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 Ooh, ES rejecting the daily dynamic reactor. Ooh, that's not good. What about the NASDAQ? Sitting right on it. The Dow? That is quite a rounding top if I've ever seen one. I don't know. You know, you've got war, you've got all the scary narratives, you've got recession, and you know, it's not that these things can't come true. It's just that when you start getting heavy on the fear cycle, that is almost always one of the best times to buy. One of the best times to buy is always, typically it feels like you feel stupid doing it, basically. You don't feel good about it. You're like, oh, really? Do I really need to buy right now? Everybody's like, there's all this stuff going on in the world. Do I really need to buy right now? You see a lot of people pulling money out of all assets across the board. Why do you think that is? Because they need money. Because gas is $4. It's not $4 for me, but nationally, it's like 4 something. It's almost 4. I mean, it's 3. Actually, it did come down. It was like 339. Now it's down to like 329. So that's not terrible, but it kind of is when it was just 219 3 weeks ago. Advanced micro devices. Oh, this is stock. I was like, what's wrong with this chart? Bybit perps. All right, now we can scan for some fun. Sign. I actually caught along on this one. Oh yeah, I must. Hold on. Whoa. Was it Sign? No, it was Signal. I actually caught along on Signal. I don't know if I took one on this. I think I had, it looks like I had one set up. What was the idea here? Breakout, back test, and go. I wonder why I picked that as my take profit. You know, we got to go back and look at charts more often, like the ones that we've looked at. How do I do that? Do I need to like write down like every night, like write down what charts I went over? Because I just don't, I mostly do Bitcoin, so I don't really do altcoins a whole lot. So I don't know. Don't really do the alts. I'm on the 15. I'm just getting a nice little push. Let's go to the 4. Good googly moogly. Look at that. I wish I would have looked at this chart a little while ago. Or earlier, sooner. That's not. It's looking very retracement-y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C. Or is this gonna zoom, zoom, zoom? Lurking. What's going on, Kelly? How you doing? What even is this? What is sine? Seasonals, technicals. Does this it shows news, ideas. Other people looking at this. Sign ready to wake up. March 7th. Let's see what this person says. It's cool. You get to see it. You can see, other traders will like post their ideas and stuff. And I don't know if you ever watched, but I looked it up. Whoa, what just happened? Why can't I? Hello? Where? Are you winning, son? Data suggests increasing market interest in buyers stepping in. Technicals currently lean bullish with momentum trending upward. Whales showing hints of accumulation and hype rising among traders. This is Fortune AI radar. Is that like a what? Trade closed, target reached, sign pumped hard, enjoy the profit, LFG. Sign unstoppable, enjoy the profit, cheers. That's funny. That was on March 7th. Don't know what mines is. Let's get out of this. Ooh, sounds nice, Alex. Alex? Jacuzzi plus Prosecco. Prosecco is good. I liked Prosecco when I drank. All right, we've got 7 votes, and you all say long. If it wants to load. There we go. Uh-oh. You guys paying attention? Have you guys been monitoring this situation? I'd be monitoring the situation hardcore. You guys want me to long? Hmm. Hmm. Seti the Yeti. Seti the Yeti eating spaghetti. I see equal lows. I've been trying this, setting orders right at equal lows. Yeah, it's a small order. We'll do a small order. Like it though, you got 1, 2, 3. Run it back down to the equal lows. We'll see. It's not really a degen play. It's okay. Got 9 beautiful people watching. Please, if you wouldn't mind, going ahead and hitting that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. Can I beg ye for some likes? This one's about to go negative. And that's okay. This is the risk I was willing to take. Sign. Don't know what that is. Tau? Tau. Nice pump. Ooh. Doesn't look too bad. Ooh. Nice cupping. Nice cupping. Definitely like that. Got some equal lows here and a dynamic reactor. And a golden pocket. And that's a breakout. And a back test. All the confluence. All the confluence. Might even come down here to the 786 to tap this little demand zone. But I think anything in this zoom out, look for targets. Are these equal highs? Did these create? Yes. Beautiful. All these juicy highs. Any equal. All I do is look for equal highs. That's all I do. And lows. But equal highs, take them out. Equal lows, relatively equal lows, run them down. I mean, it's simple math. Trying to find a Target. My best friend has been sending me some pretty heinous jokes today that I definitely cannot repeat on stream. I mean, I guess I could, but I'm not gonna. He found him on Facebook Reels, so old man. 50% retrace. I can dig that. 30% gain if it does hit. And you get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice breakout. Back test. You're getting a back test of the daily dynamic reactor, which is closer to that 786. Not looking too shabby. I'll get rid of this. It's kind of confusing. Where'd it go? There we go. Boom. Okay. So we're looking for this candle to come down here. Potentially. I mean, it did bullish engulf. It did sweep this low here. I still would wait. Would still wait. Don't want to jump in ahead of things. Don't want to jump in too early. If you guys wouldn't mind going ahead and sharing the stream out, would greatly appreciate it. Get some more people in here. Go shill me somewhere. I wonder. I need a lot of things. I need to figure out my whole slow computer internet situation, because I do like to listen to music while I stream, and I know viewers do as well. What is this? MYX? Nice little bass build in here. Pump, come down, pump out. Have no idea what this is. Pump fun. What's hype doing? Is it still being hype? I swear every time I look at this chart, it's up and to the right. I always miss the move. Like the last time I was looking at this, I'm pretty sure it was like over here. Yeah. Wait, back in February? I mean, wait, that far back? I feel like we looked at this not that long ago. Maybe it was more around here. I'm not sure. I thought it was on the move, though. Maybe it was earlier in March. Maybe it was this little move or something. Because I'm pretty sure it was, like, bullish. Or it looked bullish. Man, what a chart. This is looking good for potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe. 1 minute. Solana, how we looking? Equal lows are right here on the breakout chart. So that's where I want it to go. And it is dropping. Trying to get there. Yo, what's going on, guys? You guys are quiet this evening. I've got nothing to talk about because you guys aren't talking. Oh, there it goes. You're going to create another set of equal lows? Is that what's happening? Aren't you guys excited for the weekend? It's right there at 786 too. Come on. Come on. Give the people what they want. They called the long. They want to see it happen. With... Oh. Damn, Daniel. Back at it again with the white vans. Dead. Not dead, but you know. Did something just happen? Did something just get bombed? Oil is moving up, so excellent. Now, oil futures, which is U.S. oil, ticker U.S. oil, is actually lower than Brent. Which is at 102, which is not good. And Brent is leaving behind equal highs. That is unfortunate for us gas consumers. Everybody. Howdy, peeps. Howdy, Dusty. How you doing, man? Soon I have one more exam and I'll be free again. Enjoying the stream. Thank you, all set. Mad love. Do greatly appreciate you. You know, I did notice that viewership started to drop off when we were when it was kind of looking very bear markety. I figured with the how bullish Bitcoin had been recently that, you know, traffic would pick up, but I really need to get to I really need to start doing some shorts and stuff, and it's a lot I need to do. There's a lot I need to do, and I just need to do it. Keep making excuses, but there's no excuse. I just need to prioritize better. That's pretty much it. Honestly, just need to prioritize better. Bitcoin, I swear on your life, if you do something stupid, do have the equal highs. We did take some kilos, but we're rejecting that dynamic reactor. So this really needs to turn around very soon. I mean, there's got to be a lot of traps longs, right? Solana. Come on. Oh, the equal lows are also a 5-minute fair value gap. So a lot of confluence at that level. You better not leave me behind like you did last night. I swear. Swear. You guys remember that from last night? That trend line has been nice. The one on Bitcoin, yeah. It's been playing pretty well. It's been playing nicely. Come on. Goodness. Any news? Anything? Any news? Sector. There we go. No, not sector. Market. Crypto. Morgan Stanley advances Bitcoin ETF application with amended S1 filing. What does that mean? The latest filing, which is the second amendment to the ETF application, confirmed that the Morgan Stanley Bitcoin Trust will list on the NYSE ARCA under the ticker symbol MSBT. It also added more specific information about the fund, such as a basket size of 10,000 shares and a plan to watch with an initial seed basket of 50,000 shares, which is expected to raise approximately $1 million in proceeds. Morgan Stanley also revealed that it bought 2 shares of the ETF on March 9th for auditing purposes. Earlier this month, Morgan Stanley stated in the First Amendment that BNY Mellon and Coinbase will serve as custodians for the fund's Bitcoin. BNY Mellon will act the cash custodian, administrator, and transfer agent, while Coinbase will serve as the prime broker. Okay. What you saying? What up, David Gelfin? Chainlink bears take control, but 955 flip could change everything. Okay. Bitcoin price tussle. Crypto fear gauge hits extreme level, even as traders bet on relief rally. Really? FBI warns of fake tokens impersonating agency on the Tron network. Huh? For your safety and mine, I will go over this. The FBI warned the public on Thursday not to trust tokens claiming to be affiliated with the agency. I guess Tron. In a post on X, FBI New York urged users on the Tron blockchain network to exercise caution if they encounter a token purported to be from the FBI. If you receive a token from an account with the details below, do not provide any identifying information to any website associated with such token. An NBA, an FBI. An FBI screenshot appears to show a phishing scam using the TRC20 token standard, where supposed FBI tokens arrive in a user's wallet with a demand to disclose personal details under threat of asset freezes for alleged AML violations. This reminds me, before I came on here, I was on X and I saw a story about some top military official or some military official was, what do you call it? They were someone called and said and like threatened his family because they wanted him to do a specific strike because someone on a prediction market, I think maybe poly market, said that a strike would occur on something, someone, whatever it was, and they were telling this guy that they were gonna kill him and his whole family if he didn't order the strike, so that they could make like $900,000 on a poly market or something, on a prediction market. So we definitely have issues with prediction markets that I do firmly believe need to be regulated. Sorry, we can't be betting on a nuclear war or anything. Someone already proposed it, a politician, I think, something called the Death something, the Death Act. Whatever it was, it's to regulate people from being able to bet on things that involve other people's lives, which I'm okay with. I'm definitely okay with that. Like that stuff's just crazy to me. You son of a. It's not over. It's not over. H bar. Ooh, H bar looks juicy. Do have these equal highs right here. Relatively equal lows come up for the relatively equal high, or for the equal highs, and come back down to take the lows. Yeah. Think I'd like that. So we go long from here to here. Not we, me, or someone. And then short from here, from the top of that, down to here. Now, financial advice: do your own research and your own homework and learn how to trade and all that good stuff. Use proper risk management. So yeah. Glad you agree, Melissa. It's crazy times we're living in. Probably shouldn't be betting on nuclear war and jeez. Someone needs to pay my ransom. I'm tired, y'all. I'm gonna look at this Solana chart, see it's just totally leaving me in the dust. That's cool. Totally cool. Totally cool. Hmm. Lifesaver? Yeah, I need a lifesaver for sure. My wife is my lifesaver. Aw, sweet. You know what also doesn't help being exhausted is I'm like very lame when I'm exhausted. Like what do I even talk? Should I just yeah, bruh. How's everybody doing, huh? Sorry. 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 Got Bitcoin coming down, bruh. Coming down. We want to get to the equal lows. So we're going to enter the trade. I feel dumber having done that. I killed my own brain cells. Solana. Bitcoin. Back in profit. So quickly. Litecoin. Yeah, there. Yeah, Heart. You got it, Heart. 4-hour fair value gap screaming to be tapped, in my opinion. 4-hour FVG on Bitcoin. Let's take a look. Thank you for talking about this chart. This one. This one's halfway mitigated. You so funny. Yeah, dude. Glad to see you're staying safe from the naders. Jesus. Jesus saves. We actually have an inverted FVG on the 4-hour. Careful. That could be a resistance right there at about 72,000. Hey there, Mel. Below? Below? This one? 64? Screaming? Here's another one. But that one already got mitigated. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. Already mitigated. Crazy. 15. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Oh, man. I don't know. 6, 7. Yeah, I did it. What about it? 67. I don't see a 4-hour FEG. What exchange are you looking at? 67.5. I don't see a 4-hour fair value gap over here. I see order block, which is where we got the 4-hour bounce. It's off this order block. Sweet shit. Four-hour fair value gap screaming to be tapped. I just don't see it. What exchange are you looking at? Just overlapping wicks. I'm not seeing it. Hola, French toaster. What's up, bro? How you doing? Hope you're doing well. Yeah, I don't see any fair value gaps over here, bro. Yeah, I don't know. Link. Chilling. Hell yeah. Link did come into demand. It's trying to get a bounce out of that range. We'll see if it can do it. It's gonna try. That's one heck of a bull flag if I never seen it. Link's got a lot going for it. It just needs to not be stupid. How about that? I'm looking at BTC. USDC crypto is the 1 minute looking at it. Order block, I believe the one I saw. Okay. I believe you. I believe you. Gonzaga has a nice campus. Yeah, it does. How far y'all gonna go, Dusty? Think y'all make Sweet 16? Elite 8? Final 4? Not winning at all. So how far do you think you'll go? Hey, at least your team made it with my old coach, with our old coach. Bitcoin long looking good. Solana. Tell me it hit on... No, it didn't because it's not in my open orders. So that's cool. Sweet 16? Okay. I could see Sweet 16. I could see Elite 8. After that, I don't know. I'll be cheering for the Gators in the tournament for sure. Yeah, I'm a partial Florida fan, so go Gators. We can beat anyone and lose anyone. Yeah, I mean, it is the tournament. Someone, was it Wisconsin, lost to North Point today on a crazy 2 a layup by a player who hadn't scored a point all season. That's crazy, bro. That's madness. That's why they call it March Madness. Love it. In England, they call order blocks FVG. What? That doesn't even make sense. An order block is a block of orders. An FVG is a freaking gap. How do you get those mixed up? High point. High point. I said North Point. High point. What is going on here? It's because I'm streaming. That's why. Well, not for long. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up, guys. It's been real. It's been chill. I'm just, Acuff is the best player to wear the pig. I believe you. But, yeah, I'm super tired, and I need to get some sleep. Don't forget, tomorrow is Friday. Be sure to give someone a compliment, a stranger. Be kind always, of course. Of course. But tomorrow, that's why we go out of our way and try to be kind to a stranger. Give them a compliment. Ask them, you know, maybe tomorrow we should, maybe it doesn't have to be a stranger. It could be anybody. But, just go to somebody and ask them about something that they like or something about them. Talk about someone else and let them talk about themselves. Don't bring yourself into it at all. Just talk about them. Ask them questions about them, whatever it is. And yeah, just people like talking about themselves. So there you go. And it makes them feel good about themselves. Even asking a question about them. So yeah. Your show rocks. Early start. Night, dude. You guys flying in here. What's going on? Wait, jeez. Grayson, what's up? Up, Biddy. Let's go, Biddy. Melissa, good night. Good night. Thank you all. Rest? Yes, I need the rest so bad. I call order blocks in FEG the same as I make an order block at FEG on my chart, if that makes sense. Maybe that's what's wrong. It doesn't make sense to me because they're two completely different things. But that's okay. Look, as long as you understand what you're doing, that's all that matters, okay? You could call it the flippity flop and the bloop blop, and as long as it works, it works. It doesn't matter. All right, love you guys. Catch y'all in Discord tomorrow, and yeah. Be good. Wait, what is it? Be kind, be good. Rep your hood. Be careful, be kind, be good. Rep your hood. It's Gary Parrish thing, local sports commentator. Well, he's from Memphis, and he does still live here and have a podcast here and all that, but he travels a lot for CBS and whoever. But yeah, his sign off is be careful, be kind, be good, rep your hood. And I love it, and I stole it. I hope he doesn't have a copyright on it. But shout out to GP. Yeah. Degen, we're gonna have to work on that one. We're gonna have to work on that one. But Yeah, I'll see you in the Discord. Follow me on X at Lunar Beaches if you haven't already. Go ahead and join the Discord. Link is in the description. Well, someone said it's not in the description, so I might need to check that. And yeah, that's it. Hit the like on your way out. Hit the sub if you are new, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I create new content when I go live. I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical weekend. And I will catch you all in the next one. I don't know what song to play. Haven't played this one in a while. My love. God bless. Ride the waves. Bye.
Screens glow blue in the dead of night. Sick feels personal. Every move feels irreversible.
Hello?
Chase breakouts, I've paid the fee. Learn the hard way about.
We're having some technical difficulties.
Leverage greed, lines on charts like fault lines. Split one bad click and you counterfeit. Heart rate rising with the spread. I don't trade hope, I trade what's said. I'm against the trend, still holding ground. Cut my losses before they drown. No revenge trades, no empty prayers. I size my risk 'cause I know the snare. If it stops me out, I reload my frame. Survive the storm, protect the game. Liquidity hunts in the quiet hours. Wicks like teeth, they smell your fear. They shake the tree, they fake the move. Take the weak before the truth. I don't need wins every single day, just consistency that pays my way. Discipline louder than my doubt. Patience prints when I wait it out. I miss the move, I don't chase the high. There's always another setup by. I'm against the trend, still holding ground. Cut my losses before they drown. No revenge trades, no empty prayers. I size my risk 'cause I know the snare. If it stops me out, I reload my frame. Survive the storm, protect the game. Flat is a position, silence too. Sometimes doing nothing's the pro move. I don't fight tape, I don't fight time. I let the market show its head, not mine. I'm against the trend, still breathing calm. Risk appetite, emotions gone. If they sweep lows just to reverse, I'll catch the move, not chase the curse. One good trade.